Keir Starmer just struck a deal with France to send back 50 migrants a week, and they're calling it a breakthrough. According to Reuters, Keir Starmer has agreed a new deal with French President Emmanuel Macron. It's being called a one-in, one-out migrant return scheme. The UK can now return up to 50 people per week who arrived illegally in the UK via small boats. In exchange, the UK will accept one eligible asylum seeker from France, but only through legal routes. According to The Guardian, over 21,000 people have crossed the channel in small boats so far this year. That's a 56% increase from 2024. But this deal would only allow the UK to return about 6% of those migrants. That's just 50 a week. So what happens to the other 94%? According to Sky News, the deal is still only a pilot scheme, and it depends on EU-wide approval under the Dublin Convention replacement system. That means France can't actually take people back yet unless the European Commission signs off, and countries like Italy and Spain are already pushing back. There's also no details yet on who qualifies for removal, how they'll be processed, or what happens when France refuses to accept someone. According to BBC News, Labour are hailing this as a diplomatic breakthrough. They're saying it's a major step in breaking the smugglers' business model and restoring order to the channel. But critics say it's too small, too slow, and more about headline optics than long-term change. So is this really a tough new plan to take back control of the border, or just a small pilot scheme dressed up to look like progress? With only 50 people a week eligible for return and no EU sign-off yet, this deal might be less about solving the crisis and more about saying something is happening. Now you know.